You've had it in your fridge for years. You've baked cookies with it, cleaned your sink with it, but you never imagined it could quietly reverse some of the worst health problems of aging. We're talking about baking soda, yes, that cheap white powder hiding in your kitchen. What if I told you it could help fight arthritis pain, ease gout, reduce inflammation, detox your kidneys, and even make cancer treatments work better? And yet, hardly anyone talks about it. Why? Because it's too cheap to patent, too powerful to ignore, and too simple to believe. What's at stake? If ignored. After 60, your body becomes more acidic, your kidneys work harder, your joints inflame, and your immune defenses, they get sluggish. This leads to things like chronic joint pain, high uric acid, hello gout, sluggish kidneys, burning heartburn, weakened oral health, even a higher risk for cancer and infection. Most people spend thousands on medications and creams, but they overlook what's already sitting in the back of their pantry. Used correctly, baking soda can shift your internal pH, relieve inflammation, and detoxify your system. All for pennies per day. Immediate surprising tip. In a 2018 study published in the Journal of Immunology, drinking a baking soda solution daily triggered the spleen to produce anti-inflammatory immune cells, reducing autoimmune responses like arthritis pain. That means 1 teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water could be training your immune system to chill out. And that's just one of its 13 benefits. Benefit 1: relieves arthritis pain. Rheumatoid arthritis causes your immune system to mistakenly attack your own joints, leading to pain, stiffness, and swelling. But here's where baking soda comes in. A 2018 study published in the Journal of Immunology found that drinking a small daily dose of baking soda mixed with water helped retrain the immune system. It shifted the body's response from aggressive and inflammatory to calm and anti-inflammatory. This change can potentially reduce the flare-ups and joint damage that make arthritis so debilitating. It works by influencing the spleen and other immune-regulating organs to produce more protective immune cells. While this isn't a cure, it's a low-cost, low-risk tool that may help seniors manage symptoms naturally, especially when paired with doctor-approved treatment. Just be cautious. People with heart, kidney, or blood pressure concerns should consult their doctor first. But for many, this humble powder could mean real relief. Benefit 2: helps manage gout symptoms. Gout is an intensely painful form of arthritis caused by too much uric acid in the bloodstream. When uric acid builds up, it forms sharp, needle-like crystals in the joints, often in the big toe, causing sudden swelling, redness, and severe pain. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, can help by neutralizing excess uric acid and reducing the body's overall acidity. A study published in Arthritis and Rheumatism found that alkaline substances like baking soda may help dissolve these crystals more quickly and support faster relief. By making the internal environment less acidic, it becomes harder for new crystals to form. To try it, dissolve 1–2 teaspoons of baking soda in a glass of water and drink it up to twice a day during flare-ups. However, always speak with a healthcare provider before starting, especially if you have heart or kidney conditions, since baking soda contains sodium. Benefit 3: supports kidney function. As we age, our kidneys naturally lose efficiency, and for those with chronic kidney disease, CKD, this decline can be life-altering. One major issue in CKD is excess acid buildup in the blood, which worsens kidney damage over time. But baking soda, a natural antacid, may help. A landmark study in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology found that sodium bicarbonate slowed the progression of CKD by reducing this acid overload. In some cases, patients who took baking soda daily even delayed or avoided the need for dialysis. By helping balance the body's pH, baking soda eases the burden on the kidneys, allowing them to function more effectively. However, this isn't a DIY fix. Because baking soda contains sodium, It must be used with medical supervision, especially in people with heart or fluid-related conditions. Always consult your nephrologist before using it as part of your kidney care plan. Benefit 4. Reduces heartburn fast. That uncomfortable burning sensation after meals? It's likely heartburn, caused by stomach acid rising into your esophagus. While over-the-counter antacids are common, baking soda offers a fast, natural solution that's been trusted for generations. Baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, is alkaline, meaning it neutralizes excess stomach acid on contact. Just mix 1-2 teaspoons in 4 ounces of water and sip it slowly. Relief often begins within minutes. Doctors have recommended this simple remedy for decades, especially for occasional acid reflux. It's affordable, effective, and already in most kitchens. But here's the catch: don't overdo it. Using too much baking soda or using it too often can lead to bloating or an upset stomach. Also, this isn't suitable for people on sodium-restricted diets or with kidney or heart issues. Used responsibly, baking soda remains one of the fastest, science-backed ways to stop heartburn in its tracks. Benefit 5. Oral health and whitening. Baking soda isn't just for your fridge, it's a proven dental ally. When used properly, it gently scrubs away plaque and stains without harming your enamel. That means a cleaner, brighter smile without the harsh chemicals found in many whitening products. A study in the Journal of Clinical Dentistry found that toothpaste containing baking soda removed significantly more plaque and whitened teeth better than toothpaste without it. The reason? Baking soda's mild, abrasive texture, combined with its alkaline nature, makes it tough on stains but gentle on your teeth. It also helps neutralize mouth acids, reducing the risk of gum disease, tooth decay, and bad breath by creating a less friendly environment for harmful bacteria. For best results, use it 2 to 3 times per week with a soft bristled toothbrush. Don't scrub hard, let the baking soda do the work. With consistent use, you'll notice whiter teeth and healthier gums, straight from your kitchen shelf. Benefit 6. Treats canker sores. Canker sores, those small, painful ulcers inside your mouth, can make eating, drinking, and even talking uncomfortable. But relief might be just a rinse away. Baking soda helps by neutralizing the acidic environment that slows healing and irritates the sore. Simply mix 1-2 teaspoons of baking soda in a glass of warm water and use it as a gentle mouth rinse. Do this 2 to 3 times a day. A study published in the Journal of the American Dental Association found that baking soda rinses significantly reduced pain and shortened the healing time for people with canker sores. It works as a mild antiseptic, reducing bacteria while calming inflammation and irritation. Unlike over-the-counter gels that may sting or burn, baking soda is gentle and safe for daily use. If you're tired of waiting days for mouth sores to heal, this science-backed remedy could speed up recovery without a trip to the pharmacy. Benefit 7. Antifungal support. Fungal infections like athlete's foot, ringworm, and itchy skin rashes thrive in warm, damp, and acidic environments, especially around the feet. But baking soda offers a simple, science-backed way to fight back. When applied to the skin, baking soda raises the local pH level, making it harder for fungi to grow and spread. A study published in Mycopathologia found that a 10 g per liter solution of baking soda inhibited the growth of 80% of fungal strains tested. That's a powerful natural antifungal effect, without the harsh chemicals found in many creams and sprays. To use it, make a paste with water and apply it directly to the affected area, or add a few tablespoons to a warm foot bath and soak for 15-20 minutes. It helps relieve itching, reduce redness, and keep the skin dry and unwelcoming to fungus. Safe, effective, and affordable, right from your kitchen shelf. Benefit 8. Helps with UTIs. UTIs cause burning and urgency. Baking soda may ease symptoms by making the urine less acidic. One study in Japanese Journal of Urology showed women with chronic UTIs improved after adding sodium bicarbonate to treatment. Don't skip antibiotics, but this can help ease symptoms. Benefit 9. Enhances exercise performance. Here's the weird one. Athletes use baking soda as a lactic acid buffer. It helps neutralize muscle burn during intense workouts. A Journal of Strength and Conditioning. Research meta-analysis showed better performance in short bursts, like sprinting or cycling. Try 1-2 TSP 60 minutes before exercise, but test tolerance. It can upset the stomach. Benefit 10. Fights cold and flu symptoms. Scratchy throat, baking soda, plus warm water. Perfect gargle. It breaks down mucus, kills germs, and soothes irritation. Journal of the American Dental Association. Baking soda, mouthwash reduced microbial load and throat inflammation. Also, add it to nasal saline rinses to clear congestion. Benefit 11. Cancer research support. Experimental. Cancer cells thrive in acidic environments. A 2009 study in cancer research found that baking soda injections in mice reduced tumor spread by changing tumor pH. Some researchers believe it may one day enhance chemotherapy by altering the tumor's environment. Not a treatment yet, but a powerful area of ongoing research. Benefit 12. Natural deodorant. Sweat doesn't smell. Bacteria does. Baking soda kills the bacteria and absorbs moisture. The Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology found it significantly reduced underarm odor. Just pat a pinch under arms, or mix with coconut oil for a homemade paste. Benefit 13. Skin detox baths. Add 1-2 cup to a warm bath. It soothes rashes, relieves itching, and draws out skin impurities. Anecdotal reports are strong, and many dermatologists recommend it for eczema or psoriasis relief. Doctor's secret: not everyone should use it. If you have high blood pressure, heart disease, or kidney failure, baking soda may not be safe. It contains sodium. Too much can lead to fluid retention, increased blood pressure, or worsen kidney strain. Also avoid if pregnant or on sodium-restricted diets. Always talk to your doctor first. Daily habit to avoid: overuse. Don't treat it like candy. More is not better. Stick to 1-2 to 1 teaspoon per day max unless prescribed. Overuse can cause nausea, bloating, or even alkalosis. And never take it right after a heavy meal. It can expand in the stomach. This little white powder can fight inflammation, improve kidney health, kill mouth bacteria, soothe skin, and maybe even help fight cancer. It costs pennies, but its value, massive. And no one's telling you, because there's nothing to sell. You decide, keep ignoring it or use it wisely. Either way, it's already in your kitchen.